Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy mushroom soup. We'll begin by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. Next, we'll create a rich, aromatic base by gently sautéing some key vegetables. Then, we'll simmer the soup to perfection, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together. Finally, we'll achieve that signature creamy texture, making this a truly delightful dish. Let's start with our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of your favorite fresh mushrooms, thinly sliced, along with 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Begin by melting 2 generous tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Once the butter is shimmering, add your chopped onions and garlic, sautéing them gently for about 5 minutes until they become wonderfully fragrant and translucent. Now let's build that incredible flavor. Add your sliced mushrooms to the pot with the softened aromatics. Cook them for about 8 minutes, stirring occasionally until they release their moisture and begin to brown. Next, pour in 4 cups of rich vegetable or chicken broth. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried thyme and a generous pinch of salt and black pepper. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook for 15 minutes. For that signature creamy texture, carefully remove about 1/3 of the soup from the pot and transfer it to a blender. Blend until it's perfectly smooth and velvety. Pour this blended portion back into the main pot. Now, stir in 1/2 cup of rich, heavy cream. Gently heat the soup for about 2 minutes, just until it's warmed through, being careful not to let it boil. Serve your delicious, creamy mushroom soup immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.